More than 70% of Earth's surface is covered by one important resource, water. And 95% of that is unexplored territory, leaving entire oceans of mystery before us. We are chasing that mystery, chasing adventure, chasing new discoveries. And now we're bringing the underwater world to the surface for everyone with the smallest, most portable and affordable underwater drone ever. Introducing Dory. We successfully brought Gladius Mini to market, winning the Red Dot Product Design Award. Now, with Dory, we're making waves all over again. The genius of Dory lies in its compact size and portability. There's no bulky remote, meaning less gear to haul. Instead, you simply control Dory with your phone using the intuitive Chasing Dory app. With Dory in your backpack, there truly are no boundaries. Dory is ideal for those who love to share their adventures on social media. The ability to easily post and live stream makes it a win-win for people who want to capture the moment for all their friends and followers to see. Depth Lock lets you dive and remain at the precise depth you want so you can either idle or cruise with maximum stability. 45-degree tilt lock mode mimics the up and down movement of the human eye, providing the perfect angles to scan the ocean floor or peer up at the crystal water above. With screen sharing, live streaming, and co-pilot, friends and family can watch or help control your dive in real time on multiple wireless devices. But let's dive deeper. With its hydrodynamic design and shark-like precision, Dory can reach depths of over 49 feet. And with 2 built-in 250 lumen lights, the high-end camera has a 100-degree field of view for expansive photos and video. And its f1.6 wide aperture lens is ideal for low-light situations. With 8 gigabytes of storage capacity, you'll have plenty of room to store your adventures. Its 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, compass, and calibration system keep you positioned perfectly for all your voyages. Small, simple, smart. With Dory, it's in full, glorious view and commanded by you. Join us and explore the next generation of aquatic wanderlust. Join the chase. Chasing Dory.
Introducing the PowerDolphin. PowerVision's forward-thinking design team have created a one-of-a-kind streamlined appearance. PowerDolphin has improved the fish finder system. Comes with a newly designed fishing bait container that can accurately release bait. With PowerDolphin, you have a new way to fish by dragging your line behind you instead of your traditional fishing rod, allowing you to tow back catches from the safety of the shoreline or your own boat. It has a 132-degree wide-angle lens, equipped with a headlamp and 4 levels of brightness. You can preview and record fishing via the front camera. PowerDolphin is not only useful for fishing, but also in marine search and rescue. It has 3 different speed levels. Life jackets and other life-saving devices can be delivered safely and released via the remote control function. It can be operated with the included controller or your very own smartphone. Both of these formats have one-touch return to home built in. PowerDolphin's smart sonar system can be used to generate a topographic map of the most complex underwater environments, including the ocean floor. It comes with an interchangeable battery and a micro SD card. It has a running time of approximately 2 hours. PowerDolphin can reach speeds of up to 16 feet per second. It is equipped with a unique dual-joint rotating camera, allowing users to see above and below the water surface, with a 215-degree wide viewing angle. The 12-megapixel camera shoots at 4K 30 frames per second, with real-time streaming at 1080p HD. So you can better see what's above and below you. Whether you're fishing, surfing, exploring, or rescuing, PowerDolphin is another leap forward in the world of remote-controlled marine vehicles.
This is the Gladius Mini Underwater Drone, your window to the underwater world. It can dive down to an amazing 100 meters deep and propel faster than 2 meters per second. It can rise and dive vertically just like a real submarine and can inspect objects at an adjustable 45-degree angle. With 2 hours of battery life, you can relax and not feel rushed. And because the Gladius has 5 stabilizing propellers, you can record extremely smooth video even on preset angles and depths. You can view crystal clear sea life through its 4K camera. You can explore the deep ocean and reach where you never reached before. It can be easily controlled through your smartphone, and with our intuitive remote steering control, you can use VR goggles for a more immersive experience. You can share up to 3 devices using Wi-Fi, as well as connect to a big screen TV via HDMI. You can even live stream on YouTube and share instantly to Facebook so that all your friends and fans can join in the fun. The Gladius Mini is small, portable, and great for families, photographers, content creators, and adventure geeks. An underwater world awaits you. Where would you take your Gladius?
PowerRay is more than just a fishing drone. It's a powerful underwater photography and video platform. PowerRay is an intelligent underwater robot designed to let you see the world as never before. Explore under the waves before you jump into the water. PowerRay can dive down to 98 feet and has 3 operational modes for beginners, experienced pilots, and professionals. For underwater photography, use PowerRay's powerful 4K UHD camera with a wide-angle lens. It can record video in real time at 4K 25 frames per second, while the unique LED lighting illuminates the water. Export the photos and videos to your computer. If you are an explorer who loves traveling and sharing your memories, PowerRay's real-time streaming in 1080p allows you to share your stunning moments to Facebook, WeChat, and Instagram. PowerRay's Power Seeker can be used as a standalone device. Just switch your app to fish finding mode. Power Seeker will alert you when there's a group of fish helping you catch them like a pro. Get detailed information on where the fish are, the depth of the water, and real-time battery life. PowerRay visualizes your fishing experience. Even if you aren't an experienced fisherman, PowerRay and Power Seeker can take you to the next level. PowerRay's VR goggles offer real-time immersive fishing experience for you or with your friends at the same time. Give someone else control as you can switch between controlling PowerRay or just observing to enjoy the freedom of swimming underwater without jumping in. The gesture-based VR goggle offers you hands-free control and provides you a stunning FPV underwater experience. In addition, you can utilize PowerRay for underwater exploration and ice fishing. Put the controller in your hand and discover what else PowerRay can do.